Hi, I'm Paul Labovitz. I'm the superintendent at IndianaDunes National Park. With COVID-19 spreading across the country, I know you're anxious to get outside, and the IndianaDunes is ready to accommodate you. We have 15,000 acres of pristine beaches, woodlands, wetlands, and of course dunes. But even though the state of Indiana and our parks are open, we're not out of the woods yet. It's more important than ever that we work together to be safe.
But that means we have to take necessary precautions. My name is Mickey Ray, the property manager at IndianaDunes State Park. Our mission is to conserve, manage, and interpret our resources while creating memorable experiences for everyone. But that means we all need to listen to the guidelines laid out by our local, state, and federal leaders. While enjoying the Indiana Dunes, we ask that you consider those around you. Respect social distancing by staying at least 6 feet away from other guests. Wear a mask when possible, and always remember to wash your hands frequently and thoroughly. If a beach is crowded or full, consider traveling to one of our other 9 instead. Always stay on a designated trail, and if you have trash, take it with you or throw it in a designated receptacle.
As long as we adhere to these simple guidelines, the Indiana Dunes will continue to be a great outdoor destination. My name is Lorelei Weimer, and I am the Executive Director of Indiana Dunes Tourism. Restaurants, hotels, and attractions throughout the Indiana Dunes area have already started to open their doors for visitors like you. They are implementing new sanitation practices as well as adhering to Governor Holcomb's Back on Track Indiana plan. We know these are strange times, but we hope that you'll respect each business's policies, such as reduced capacity and mask requirements. These practices are in place for your safety as well as their employee safety. The last thing we want to do is close the Indiana Dunes, but our primary concern is your well-being as well as ours, so let's work together to keep all of us safe.
We are all the Indiana Dunes, and we're in this together.